What's up guys, Anthony here at inGear, and today with us we are featuring the highest and most quality and highest security rated folding lock to date. According to the website, we have the SeatyLock Gold. Let's check it out. All right, so this folding lock comes with a 2-year claim-free warranty. It comes with 3 keys. So let's say you lose your keys for the first 2 years, you can get keys recut. All right, so right here we have it mounted to the bike frame, and this is what it looks like. This thing is awesome. It's a medium size folding lock, but this thing is heavy duty. It has an automotive cylinder on the inside. Comes with these little close gaps, these little rivets. So as you're inserting or removing the key, it automatically shutters so that it keeps it dust free. It comes out this way, and this is how you lock it back up. One of the things I like about this that's different from a chain, it has this coating around it, which it keeps the noise down while you're riding, which is awesome, but it also gives an anti-scratch texture to it. And so it's saw-proof. Obviously every lock is vulnerable to some level of breakage by professionals or people who really want to get into something and they're not going to stop until they do it. So there's always some sort of a risk when you have expensive property, but this is highly rated, and it does come recommended for e-bikes, especially something this valuable. So they got a lot of options, so definitely check out the SeatyLock Gold. Really sleek lock, love their branding. SeatyLock's doing a great job. So if you're interested in getting a folding lock, this is awesome. All right, so you don't have to just use these for your e-bikes. You can obviously lock anything. I like keeping one of these attached to the truck rack on my back of my truck. In case I need to lock anything up while I'm gone. Let's say we have a pressure washer or we have some sort of equipment in there, I can easily just fold this out, lock it up to the tailgate, and I'm good to go. So definitely a win. Check it out. If you want one of these, it's in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video. Really cool, really sleek. Love their bland.